because otherwise they just start to get droopy. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I like to do a little brown liner. The only reason why I like to do it with a pencil is because it's way fucking easier. By the way, so my face makeup, I put foundation as concealer, and then I covered up scars. But I did not cover up anything that is like fresh. I'm not gonna put makeup on that because skincare first, girls. Like, I am not going to sacrifice my skin health just to like try to look perfect. No. So for my DJ sets, I haven't planned out what I'm gonna do, what look I'm gonna do yet. But we have a few options. We have strawberry tattoos. These are really cute. We have little butterfly crystals that I also kind of put in the same area. That's really cute too. We have freckles, like little glittery freckles, which I love these, but I've just done them a lot. I did them a lot in the beginning. So now I like to kind of switch it up. Recent faves has also been a little bit of pink eyeliner. I'm gonna do the pink eyeliner because it's a very subtle way to add a little bit of funk, a little bit of extra flair. And I like to do it over my brown liner. Now this to me does not have to be perfect. Nothing I do is ever actually perfect. I just try to get it like good enough so that you can see it. And the reason why I like to do this over the brown eyeliner is because from far away, if I just do the pink liner, it doesn't look like I'm wearing any liner at all, and I don't really like that look. These days I've really just been liking a little bit of a wing. So that's what I do with my eyes. So let's see what it looks like with my bangs, because that sometimes changes the whole look. It's like if I do something extravagant with my eyes, then sometimes I realize after I put my bangs down that like you can't even see it. That's why I like to play around with the cheek area. Okay, so I decided to put a little bit of crystals along just like the bottom part of my eyes. So they're like this. These are from Amazon, but they're like little face stickers. These actually have like cute little butterflies on them. So I'm just gonna use a mixture of like the big and the small crystals. So there's that. Do one more. Okay, boom. I think that's good. Okay, boom. Shoot. Here. I'm just randomly sticking these all around. Ta-da! So they're super subtle, and like honestly, you can't even probably see them when I am actually DJing, but they just have like a hint of a sparkle. I'm gonna just play up the cheeks a little bit more because I have the bangs by adding some more freckles. Okay, boom, and then I kind of just like blend them in. So now we have this look, but for lips, this is the combo that I have been wearing for weeks and weeks now. It's just the REM Beauty lip liner. This was from their, what's it called? It's Galinda set. It's in Toss Toss. It's just like this pink lip liner, or like pinky mauve, maybe. That's what it's called. Just like throw it on there. Reckless abandon. I just hope that it gets like, you know, on my lip. Okay, and then I just kind of like fill it in a little bit. And then I'm using the Rhode Peptide Lip Tint in Toast. And that's it. So this has been my signature lip duo for like a month now. See what I want to wear. Okay, so here's what I decided on. I'm obsessed with this shirt. I just got it from H&M, but it's like a really pretty satin. It looks like a regular button-down shirt, but like when these sleeves are down, like they almost look like a kimono style. Okay, like the sleeves are big, and it's like a really nice loose fitting shirt. But when I'm DJing, it's really important that I don't have any sleeves hanging down because it could mess with the equipment and it could mess up the song. So I'm gonna roll it up And I think that still looks really nice, but super simple. So like all you're gonna see is just like pretty much from here up. So I like to dress up. I'm gonna put a lot of jewelry on, put my rings on. I have a lot of watches. I love a watch. I got that from my husband, I think. Shout out to you, Oscar. I just found this watch. This is like so pretty. This is from, what's it called? Nordgreen. I had a partnership with them for a while, and I have a bunch of their watches, and they're all so pretty. Very, very pretty. So this one's got a purple face, like, oh, gorgeous. Okay, so I have this as an option. Butterflies to go with my butterfly stickers. Okay, I'm loving the dichotomy here because I have, like, my top is kind of sophisticated. It looks very like chic, but then I have these like stickers that also look really youthful and like fun and playful. So I love to play with that as well, where it's kind of like, it just doesn't make sense to go together, but like it does. I'm thinking I just want to maybe do like one more. If I could find like a choker, which I haven't worn a choker, but like just really feeling it right now. If I could find a choker of some sort, a really short necklace would be dope. It's not exactly a choker, but we've got some good layering going on. So I like this. I like this look. Earrings. Should we go biggle biggle? Should we go biggle biggle? As my husband and daughter would say. Biggle biggle. Always go big. Always go biggle biggle. Okay, so here's my final look. Now let's set up my set.